Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Sigma 50 to 150mm f2.8 lens. Recently I had this lens which has dust inside, so I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside and then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As you use the lens, it collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens element, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside and then assemble the lens. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly I will use a lens opening tool and a suction cup. For cleaning the lens I will use an air pump, a brush, a microfiber cloth, lens cleaning fluid. For checking the lens elements I will use a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also in the description there is an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after the video has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. As we can see, there is some dust in the lens. Use the lens opening tool to remove the front lens cover ring. Use the lens opening tool to remove the front lens. Use a suction cup to lift up the front lens element. Clean the inside of the lens with an air pump. If the lens is not clean, then clean it with lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight to make sure it is perfectly clean. Store the lens downwards and continue with cleaning the front lens element. Clean the lens with an air pump. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight. If the inner side of the front lens element is not clean, then clean it with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight to make sure it is perfectly clean. If the lens is perfectly clean, then assemble the lens. Clean the lens with an air pump. Put back the front lens element. Tighten the front lens with the lens opening tool. Clean the front lens with a cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the lens again with a flashlight. Put back the cover ring. Clean the lens with an air pump. Clean the front lens again if needed. Now the lens is perfectly clean. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.